This is pretty long, dude. How long has the baby been in the car?
She's okay. She's okay. She's sweating pretty bad.
How long? Break it. Break it. It can get over 100 degrees in that car in a very short amount of time. You got the wedge? She's sweating. Get the FD. Get the FD, call me. Just for... Hey. Jason. I can't see.
Let's get a squad around over here so maybe check out when we get in.
Just pressed it, it's not open. You gotta ask. I hit the unlock twice. I hit it twice. Can everybody back up, please? I know.
Is she in the middle?
Jason, there's a hammer right in the back of the car. I'm not doing this all day with the baby in the car. Hold on. A2 to 291, just so you know, we're going to bust out this window. The baby's been here too long, it's sweating. I tried the unlock attempt, it's not working, it's not, the button's not working. Yeah. Swing it.
Yeah, 291.
Hey, Jason,
We're going to call you. Active flare.
we have... We have an ambulance coming.
Yes.
Transport out to Wycliffe, DMV, Hardersville Avenue, Denmark, 109-732, 109-732. So
Does this feel good?
Good sign. Good sign. She's crying. She's crying.
Can you just hold her on your shoulder? I'm going to put this on your neck, okay?
All right.
Can you get her bottle?
Okay, we're open 24 hours.
She's getting up a little bit.
That's all right. She just had a bottle.
I know, I'm just concerned about her.
What are you trying to do? I'm trying to take this off so get her, yeah.
Ooh, is that cold? Hey, baby. We're definitely going to let the paramedics look at her, just so make sure she's dehydrated. That car was extremely hot when I opened it up, so.
Yes.
Wait a minute, squad, all right?
She is a cute girl.
Hey, can you get the plate? Yeah, I got my med pack here, all right?